So in case you guys don't know, I like buying tools. So let me show you what I just picked up. These are a set of thin-walled impact sockets made by Bowen. They come with all the common sizes. There's 17 millimeter, 19, 21, 13 sixteenths, 7 eighths, 1 inch, and an inch and a 16th. Also, the nice thing about these is the nylon coating slides off of these, because some aftermarket wheels, there's literally no space between the lug nut and the wheel. Just like that. They also come with this pretty cool foam block that holds the sockets in there pretty good. So, I'm going to try them out. It just so happens my car needs a tire rotation, so we're going to be using the 19 mil. By the way, while I rotate these tires, you can pick up a set of these by just clicking the link in my video. And don't forget to like and follow. Okay, I'm going to run these in with the gun, and then we're going to torque them down.